Jay, besides the way DHN brings people together, what is the one thing about it that excites you the most?
Every year, DHN brings it with it a new theme, one that makes Atmalaya DHN truly special.
So, Jay, shall we reveal today's theme?
Sure, on day 2, we pay tribute to the legendary composers who shaped the rich tradition of Carnatic music.
Carnatic music is more than melody and rhythm. It's devotion, discipline, and artistry passed down for generations. From classical ragas to modern film music, Indian composers have influenced it all. Their legacy is timeless.
And through today's performances, we celebrate that very legacy. One that proves music has no boundaries, only emotions that unite us all.
இசை எழுந்தபோது காலம் நின்றது. பக்தி மெழுகிய வார்த்தை துளிர்ந்தது. நாதம் புனைந்த பாவலரின் வரலாறு நம்முள் உயிராய் திகழும் பேராறு.
Well said. These musical masters, Vagayakaras, were more than just composers.
We present now Jatishwaram, a classical masterpiece that highlights rhythm, grace, and technique with no lyrics, only music and movement.
This Jatishwaram is in Vasantaragam set to Rupakathalam, composed by the legendary Tanjore quadrant, Chinnaya, Ponnaya, Sivanandam, and Vadivelu.
Known as Tanjai Nalvar, these 19th century masters structured Bharatanatyam into its present format, the Margam, and composed timeless Varnams and Kirtanais that remain at the heart of music and dance even today.
Ladies and gentlemen, let the music begin, let the dance unfold, and let the magic of these timeless melodies fill our hearts. Let's celebrate the legendary composers. Song credits, Krishnarpanam School of Dance. This performance is sponsored by Euroseal Stretch Ceilings.
Sani kamaga மத க மதனி சபாத நிரி சானி ரகரி மத நிரிச கமதனி சானி ரனி மத நித மனித பங்க நித மக மகரி நித மக மத மத நிரி சனி சனி ரனி மதனி சானி நிர மக நித மகரி மதனி சானி மகரி மதனி